381 slapped, adjective hard hit / imposed. Synonyms, beaten, pat. Antonyms, avoided, saved. Sentence, he was slapped by the disaster. 382 evaporate, verb dry, dissolve. Synonyms, absorb, vaporize. Antonyms, appear, moist. Sentence, the water was evaporated from the pan. 383 finery, noun best clothing. Synonyms, apparel, suit. Antonyms, rags, tatters. Sentence, he was in the world's best finery. 384 alumnus, noun educated / ex-student. Synonyms, old grad, alumna. Antonyms, undergraduate, uneducated. Sentence, he is an intelligent alumnus. 385 uncouth, adjective clumsy, uncultivated. Synonyms, awkward, barbaric. Antonyms, agile, couth. Sentence, Ahmed behaved in an uncouth manner. 386 trite, adjective hackneyed. Synonyms, dull, cliché. Antonyms, fresh, new. Sentence, I don't want to involve in the trite conversation they were having. 387 palliate, verb abate. Synonyms, allay, assuage. Antonyms, increase, intensify. Sentence, perhaps a nap will palliate my headache. 388 mélange, noun mixture. Synonyms, medley, mishmash. Antonyms, constituent, element. Sentence, Ria's set list included a mélange of her old and new hits. 389 instill, verb inject. Synonyms, infuse, implant. Antonyms, eradicate, extract. Sentence, the instructor tried to instill fear in the students. 390 encroach, verb violate. Synonyms, trespass, infringe. Antonyms, shun, abide. Sentence, as the forests continue to be destroyed for development, bears have no choice but to encroach into residential areas. 391 evasion, noun avoidance. Synonyms, evasiveness, obliqueness. Antonyms, directness, frankness. Sentence, she is in the habit of making evasion from every situation. 392 persecute, verb harass. Synonyms, torment, domineer. Antonyms, comfort, console. Sentence, the major kept on persecuting the soldiers. 393 gigantic, adjective huge. Synonyms, enormous, immense. Antonyms, small, slight. Sentence, a gigantic lily grows at a height of 20 feet. 394 ravage, verb destroy. Synonyms, ruin, devastate. Antonyms, restore, reconstruct. Sentence, Sarish ravaged all our weekend plans. 395 precarious, adjective disloyal. Synonyms, faithless, unreliable. Antonyms, faithful, reliable. Sentence, he is a treacherous junk dealer. 396 sanguine, adjective confident. Synonyms, hopeful, optimistic. Antonyms, pessimistic, depressed. Sentence, he is a sanguine person in every adverse situation. 397 ordain, verb impose. Synonyms, order, proclaim. Antonyms, violate, revoke. Sentence, Arsalan knows the ministry will never ordain him as a priest. 398 insipid, adjective tasteless. Synonyms, vapid, unflavored. Antonyms, delicious, pungent. Sentence, tomato soup tastes insipid. 399 hypocrite, noun person who pretends, is deceitful. Synonyms, charlatan, trickster. Antonyms, true, genuine. Sentence, his friend wrongly said that he was a hypocrite. 400 hearsay, noun unsubstantiated information. Synonyms, rumors, grapevine. Antonyms, reality, truth. Sentence, one should not believe in hearsay. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.